Alright, let's proceed with the treasurer. We have the winner from Smile Party List, si Mark Bautista. Also, we have the first secretary. We have from Smile Party List, we have Zaira Alexis Alabado from Smile Party List. And for the vice president, we have two vice presidents for internal and external affairs. We have from Smile and Geek Party List, we have Simon Khalil Makasaet for internal, and external for Elijah Joaquin for external. Well, ready? And the elected president for SGO Elementary Department, let me call on stage Ferry Risa Bernales from Smile Party List.
Of our student government organization, elementary division, from president to marshal. So we have two, please take note, we have two vice presidents. They earn a tie in the last election. And usually the ruling is to have a toss coin. But we decided not to proceed with the toss coin, but instead let them two reign as vice presidents for internal and external affairs, so as to train more leaders in our student, for our student 3. So here we are, the student leaders for elementary. For the grades 4 and 5. They are your leaders, you have elected them. They will serve you, they will serve the school. They are one in promoting the mission and vision of our school. That is developing all our individuals. With the head, the hands, the head, the heart, human relations. Ito yung pinaka-essence ng ating vision. Total wholesome development.